Hello folks, look, we got a ZATARAIN'S red beans and rice with some sausage. It's frozen, it's a dinner. We're gonna review it today. I wanted to show you what it looked like. We wanna see how good this ZATARAIN'S red beans and rice tastes frozen. So stay tuned, we're getting started. So here's the directions. For microwave, it says to put it in for 3 minutes, and then after the first 3 minutes, put it in for an additional 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, and just before, peel back the film. I guess let some of the steam out. We're gonna peel back the film and stir it a little bit, and then we're gonna put it back in. So let's see. This is what it looks like. It's in the container, and it's got the film on top. So what we need to do is we need to cut a slit in the top, right in the middle right here. So we cut our slit in it. So we got our little slit cut right there, as you can see. So we got it set for 3 minutes. So we'll be back when 3 minutes is up. All right, let's see. So as you can see, it's got some condensation. It's a little warm. We're gonna put our fork in there and mix it around a little bit. Smells good. Smells real good. Still a little frozen. So we definitely need to put it in there for a little bit more. A little more time. We'll get that film released. Put it in for 2.5 minutes and we'll see. Alright, so that's it. Let's see what we got. Look at that. It's hot. Looks like it's cooked through. I want to show it to you. Look at that. We get a little light. Look at that. That's red beans and rice right there, folks. Look at that. ZATARAIN'S frozen red beans and rice. Doesn't that look good? And they have sausage in it. That's a piece of sausage right there. Let me taste it. This is good. So if you like red beans and rice, I encourage you to go get some of ZATARAIN'S in the box in the frozen food department, because that's some good stuff right there. Check that out. Look how good that is. ZATARAIN'S frozen red beans and rice with sausage included. It's very good, very tasty. It only takes a couple of minutes to make.